Morning, everybody. We are in Grand Cayman. There's a bee. Got a bee right there. Look, it's a bee. Look at the bee. It's a Grand Cayman bee. Anyways, we're here in Grand Cayman. I'm not sure what we're going to do today. Last time we were here, we got off the ship and did some shopping. We may get off the ship and do some shopping. There's some little restaurants here that we may go check out. The only problem is that, you know, if we eat for like lunch, we have to be like back on board like at what, 1 o'clock, something like that. That's a thing. Now Jamaica, we were there all day, but here it's like what, 6 hours or something like that. Tomorrow in Cozumel we only get 5 hours in port. It's crazy. It's like you don't really have any time to do anything. We have Naichi Cacombe booked for tomorrow, but it's like we may not go because it's like, you know, once you get there, you get wet, go eat lunch, and then come back. Like, you don't really have time to do anything. So, you know, just because we have it booked, we got our, you know, we're reserved, right? So, what did that cost? 25 bucks or something like that to reserve Naichi Cacombe. So if we don't go, we're out that. We're not out the whole price, which would be like about 100 bucks, I think.
Guests as well as those who are on a short excursion. So if you do have a short excursion this morning, just a friendly reminder to please pay attention to those tickets and meet us in that location so we can I'll get you off the ship as quickly as possible. Now folks, it is an early morning and our back on board time today is going to be at 1:15 this afternoon, so you do have plenty of time to get out there.
Plenty of time.
The morning to Grand Cayman. It's nice and quiet, great place to walk around, do some shopping. So make sure when you head out there, the shopping is right across the street, so it's very easy to get around. Unless you're on a short excursion, then of course you can enjoy your day that way as well. Now whenever you're headed off the ship, you will need your sailing.
A lot of people don't know, on port days you could get breakfast in the main dining room. It only lasts for like an hour and a half, but it's traditional breakfast. It's not C-Day brunch, and it's actually pretty good. And a day like this, there ain't hardly anyone in here. So yeah, I got scrambled eggs, sausage, corned beef hash, hash browns, and toast. There is no one on the ship. Well, there may be a few people, but it is so freaking quiet on this ship. We're in the lanai area on deck 5, right under our room. Our room is like 2 floors up from here, and everybody's off the ship or getting off the ship, and this is the quietest it's been this whole time on the whole ship. We've been just doing some walking around and enjoying the peace and tranquility of a cruise ship. Well, everyone's doing whatever they're doing in Grand Cayman. So we decided to get off the ship, do a little shopping right here at the port. Last time we were here, we saw a couple things we wanted to get, so we're gonna get them this time, if they still have the crap. The crap. We're buying crap. I don't know which hat you were looking at.
I know, I'm trying to guess. Like, I really don't know.
Girl, put that back. Where's the turtle that you just had? Let me play this up.
Oh, we're in the little shopping thing.
Not much room in here.
You look at those.
Formal night?
Oh, yeah. Nice. Yeah. We're
Christmas is coming up. All these people are in line for an excursion. They're going to go ride some dolphins or something. That's what they're doing. We'll go pet a dolphin or something. Ride a dolphin. You like
That's
that?
cute.
Shoot you. That's good.
I'm coming. Should be ready? All right. Oh, look at us.
My brother got that one and yeah. Painted tile. That was a nice one.
Oh, look, you have the turtles here too? These right up here too. Oh, look for Christmas.
You see, I stopped doing that years ago.
I like that one.
Really
Oh, that's cute.
true. You need to stay looking. Line up. On. Oh, yeah. Oh, I have these regular ones. Yeah, the other stuff.
Our next cruise,
Mhm.
like after these,
Yeah.
are all the ports. And that's before Christmas.
Oh yeah.
So we can possibly redo our tree.
Hang on just a second. So, this is a thought, and I'm going to capture on camera. Our next cruise is on the horizon in December. What if we brought a little small Christmas tree for us. Yeah, just a little small one and put some decorations like that on there. At least our dogs won't knock it down.
Let's do that.
Let's do that. Look, you heard it here first. That's what we're going to do. So stay tuned for the horizon next December. This December. Doing the buffet for lunch, and we bring our tea. We bring our tea here, and show you what I have. This one's got ribs, braised brisket, which is basically roasted beef. Come on, some garlic, cheese, potato. Some kind of, that looks good. Some more bread, some green beans. They had some other stuff. Up there that she would like, so she's going to get that. That's part of the comfort kitchen side. The other side they have French food. Didn't even look at that. So that's lunch on the Lido today. Short day today. I'm glad we didn't have any excursions for Grand Cayman, and tomorrow is supposed to be even shorter in Cozumel, I think. I was sitting there outside looking at the internet on my my old weather thing, and it shows that where we're headed it shows that there is a potential for some tropical development. So I know that it's been raining off and on. It's been raining all around us. So I know I sound bad when I say it, but I want to ride through a hurricane, really. But tropical storm, I'll take that too. But all I ask these 2 weeks is that we have one perfect day. That's it. Just one. That's all I ask. And, well, I ask two things. We have one perfect day, and I get to choose what day that is. And that would be the first port day for our second leg, which would be Roatan, which is our favorite. So the rest, it could rain. It'd be miserable weather. But just me thinking about that, probably it's going to be like perfect for the rest of the week and all next week except for Roatan. That's just my luck. But anyway, again, didn't do much. Did a little shopping. We got some Christmas ornaments, and that's what we're going to start getting, is some Christmas ornaments. And we're going to decorate a tree for the horizon. We're going to bring a little tree, about yay, on this December's. Now we're not we're not cruising on Christmas, but we're cruising on Christmas month, and that gives us okay to decorate because the ship's going to be decorated. The last time, what did we do on Thanksgiving? As we're getting off, they're starting to decorate for Christmas in the atrium. So that'd be cool. We always wanted to see the ship all Christmassy, right? So we'll get to do that. So with that being said, I'm gonna sit here and drink tea and maybe pop in a movie. Haven't seen any comedy. Just hadn't really felt the urge. Maybe it's just because we're so used to the Dream and stuff like that, where they have their comedy shows. Is really, I just like the layout. I hadn't even done the comedy show on the Vista. This is our third cruise on the Vista, and not one time have we seen comedy. I'm trying to think. Sometimes they have it in the main theater. What do they call that? Liquid Lounge? We may have seen one in there, but anyways, we're out of here. We'll see you tomorrow. We're going to Cozumel, and I'll take you with us.